Do you find it difficult to name alkanes with complex substituents? Here is the trick. Number one, you just choose the longest chain. So your longest chain has 10 carbons, so it is decane. At third carbon, you have the substituent, which is complex. So you will treat the complex substituent as a mini parent and start numbering it from the carbon from which is attached to the main chain. So give this carbon from where it is attached to the main chain as 1 and choose the longest chain. Here we have the longest chain is of 2 carbons. So 1, 2, right? So 1, 2, and this is connected at third position to the main chain. So we will say 3, and we know that it is a 10 carbon chain, decane. So 3 decane. And whatsoever the name of this complex substituent is, put that in parentheses or brackets. So this is 1 at methyl, and it is a 2 carbon chain, so ethyl. 1 methyl, ethyl, and then decane. I repeat, treat this as a mini parent, and then whatsoever the name comes, put that in parentheses and attach that to that carbon of the main chain where from you are getting your complex substituent, right? So if your parent is like this and this substituent, the common name for this substituent is isopropyl, and it is allowed to name it as isopropyl even for the IUPAC system. The systematic name for this is 1-methyl ethyl. If this is the parent, then this chain is called secondary butyl, 4 carbons. But the systematic name is, at first carbon you have methyl, so 1-methyl, and it is a 3 carbon long chain, so propyl, 1-methyl propyl. And you will put all that in brackets, and the point from which is connected, whatsoever the number of that carbon in the main chain, you will put that there. This is isobutyl group, and the systematic name of this is 2-methyl propane or propyl, 2-methyl propyl. The common name for this is tertiary butyl group, and the systematic name is 1,1-dimethyl. There are 2 methyls, so 1,1-dimethyl ethyl, and whatsoever the name of the parent is. So you can, based on that knowledge, you can try naming this and without looking at the answer. I hope this clarifies the whole thing about the complex substituent naming. Thank you.